Okay, Jenny needs to purchase pencils and tablets of paper to use at school. So I know that they're going to be talking about those two things. They're going to be talking about the pencils and the tablets of paper. And if you keep reading a little bit further down, let me box this in for you. P represents the number of pencils. And T, so we're going to be using these two letters, represents the tablets of paper. Okay, so let's keep reading. She calls 2 stores to find the best price. At school suppliers, the pencils cost 50 cents. So pencils cost 50 cents. So I know that 15 cents, and you have to write it like this, goes with P for pencils. Okay? Each, while the tablets of paper cost 50 cents each. So 50 cents, this is how you write it, goes with the T because that's how much the tablets of paper cost, resulting in a total, that means we're adding them, total cost of $4.90. So equals $4.90. So let's look at some of these answer choices and see what we can eliminate. So 15 goes with P, 50 cents goes with T, equals $4.90. Yes. This one doesn't even have a number in the front, so that's going to be out. And then this one, how did they mess this one up? Don't make the same mistake. 15 cents is written 0.15 and 50 cents is 0.50. You cannot say 15 because then we're talking about $15 and $50. So no, that one's not, this is not correct. And then the last one says 15 cents P, that's right, 50 cents T, that's right. But look what they did. They forgot the decimal. So that one is not right. All right, so let's continue reading. Let's just make sure we know what we're doing. At the next store, it says at Business Bazaar, that's the name of the other store, pencils cost 25 cents each. So this is how you write 25 cents, and it says pencils, so it has to have the P. While the tablet of paper costs 45 cents. So this is how you write 45 cents. And it has to have the T because that's how much the tablets of paper cost. Each resulting in a total, so we're adding them, of $5.10. Okay, so just to make sure, 0.25P, 0.45T equals 510. That's correct. The answer is A. Make sure that you are paying attention to which letter represents what thing. Okay, just like here.